Alright, so here's our parking lot. Here's our grocery store. Crammed in here all nice and tight. We're gonna go around the pole on the other side of it and back in there at this funny little angle, and hopefully not squish any cars. So here we go. And my beer cams aren't recording, so sorry about that. Shot though. Oh yeah, what could possibly go wrong with two wheeled cartons of eggs on a hill? There's the other one right there. Alright, so that concludes that delivery. That was kind of fun, actually. That electric pallet jack was kind of a trick to get used to. It had the dead spot in it. Enough of that noisemaker. Alright, so we're gonna walk over this little bridgeway and we're now on Goat Island. So I think I have a little bit of a jaunt through the woods to get to the horseshoe. The horseshoe falls are the ones that you normally see. And that's on the Canada side. And then the American falls are much smaller, so I think I can get to both of them at the end of this trail. Tour bus. See, that's the irony I've discovered in my job is I'm driving by all these things that people take time off from work and save up vacation and pack the kids in the car. Spend a whole ton of money they probably don't have to come see this stuff, and I'm driving by it on a regular basis going, should I stop and look at that? Nah. And today I'm like, yep, we're going over there. Is it me, or I'm always just the one taking the path less traveled? I find that very ironic in my life. Exhibit A. I'm not like an expert or anything, but I'm pretty sure all that spray over there is where I'm going. I should just sneak on one of those tour buses when I leave, see where it takes me. Why not? A little more adventure. So that's Canada over there, eh? those are the US side falls. The horseshoe, the famous one, is to the left over here. Okay, here we go. Loading and unloading. All right, well, let's load. Oh, they got a toilet in here. I need to use one of those. All right, here we go. Okay, quick trivia question. Those of you that know The Office and watch The Office, what does this building represent at Niagara Falls? This is where Jim and Pam got married. Yep. Well, it's like 74 degrees at 10 in the morning in Buffalo, New York. And the neat thing about where I'm parked is I'm right in the middle of town, or whatever this metro area is. And I've got everything around me I could possibly want. Restaurants, shopping, not that I'm gonna shop, but... And there's this mall across the street, so I figured, well, let's walk over here, because this is Sunday, so I've got today and probably tomorrow to get all my paperwork done, which I don't have that much. Shop for a house. I found a few. Yeah, all I need is a pharmacy for some toothpaste and whatnot, stuff like that. Just to, I don't see a Walmart around here, but I hate Walmart, but well, they let me park there, so I have to love them a little bit. So this is pretty neat. We're gonna explore around here and see what we got. All right, so this is the Memorial Day weekend and nothing's open and there's no shipments, no warehouses open. So basically I have 2 days off. And I found that great little cozy spot across from my delivery day before yesterday. Went to the falls and there's McDonald's just behind me. Okay, I went to McDonald's twice, but it's twice in a month, so I think I'm okay. So yesterday after breakfast, I walked around the inside of this mall. of which about half of it's empty, like most malls. And it's 10:30 in the morning, Monday, and it's 79 degrees and not a cloud in this. Well, okay, I lied. There's no clouds in front of me in the sky. They're behind me. So I figured, well, there's nothing in the mall to see. Let's just walk around the outside of the mall. That's more interesting anyway. So we're gonna enjoy our little stroll, and it's 79 degrees at 10:30 in the morning. So here's a store I haven't seen before. It's called Gabe's. This is ladies, men's, children's, and home. Has a discount feel to it since they have stuff out on the sidewalk. And since my favorite store, VF Outlet's gone, we gotta find a new one. Major clearance events, savings on top of savings. I better get in there. Okay, if you know The Office, then you know all about this potato chip. And I've never seen them before, so I guess you gotta be on the East Coast and all the Office trivia just comes rolling in. I'm sorry, but if you were riding a bike by yourself with a mask on, yeah, there were no real deals. Nothing I couldn't live without. Oh, basically, I don't need anything. I mean, I kind of want a new pair of walking shoes, but I've got a pair on already, so don't need them. So there we are. The store manager came up to me and said, "Are you my Coke rep?" My response was, "Well, I could be." So I stopped in the Wegmans, which is a big grocery store chain over here, all over the East Coast, and this is a really nice store. It's like a gourmet Safeway. Yep. Oh yeah. So here's my fantastic little parking spot for the weekend. I did not deliver to Lasertron. I delivered to ALDI, that grocery store in the corner over there. And I'm behind this grocery store. So I got it on wide angle so you can see the whole lot, but nobody in here but me and this guy. And I think this guy parked his truck for the weekend and left because there's been no sign of life here at all. Nice quiet little spot.